Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of punk ideology and its powerful influence on fashion and culture. Punks express their beliefs through music, literature, fashion, and art, rejecting mainstream norms with bold creativity and rebellious spirit. From DIY fashion statements to provocative visual art and socio-political messages, punk style embodies defiance, individuality, and a relentless challenge to the status quo. Join us on this journey as we explore how punk has left an indelible mark on haute couture and continues to shape modern fashion. Subscribe to Craze Coutume for a deep dive into the intersection of style, rebellion, and societal impact. A defining attitude within the punk subculture is a staunch opposition to selling out, which involves compromising one's values or musical style, such as moving towards pop or mainstream rock for financial gain or status. Authenticity holds significant weight in punk circles, with the term poseur used derogatorily for those who adopt punk aesthetics without embracing its core values or philosophy. The punk ethos promotes independence, leading to the creation of a network of independent record labels, venues, and distributors. While many punk bands prefer this DIY approach, some have chosen to collaborate with major labels. The do-it-yourself DIY ethic is central in punk, influencing practices like self-recording, record promotion, and the production of magazines, posters, and flyers, an ethos later labeled DIY by commentators. Punk fashion isn't just about style. It's a powerful expression of diverse political ideologies that have shaped the movement. Understanding these ideologies can profoundly influence your punk style. Anarchism. Anarcho-punks are committed to anarchism as a serious political ideology, advocating for direct action. Many embrace nonviolent means like peaceful protest, squatting, legal graffiti, and civil disobedience. Some believe in more aggressive tactics, such as vandalism or even bombing, to achieve social change. Bands like Crass and Conflict are notable for their outspoken anarchist views. Animal rights and veganism. In the 1980s, punk subgenres like straight-edge hardcore and anarcho-punks became associated with animal rights activism. Bands such as Napalm Death and Conflict promoted veganism and animal rights through their music and lifestyles, influencing punk culture worldwide. Apoliticism. Some punk bands like Charge GBH and Gigi Allen claim apoliticism despite occasional socio-political themes in their lyrics. Genres such as glam punk and pop punk are generally apolitical, focusing more on music and individualism than activism. Christianity. Christian punk blends punk music with Christian themes, sometimes leaning towards left-wing politics or even Christian anarchism. Bands like Crucified express their faith through punk rock while advocating for social justice and individual freedom. Environmentalism. Punk has also embraced environmentalism, particularly through straight-edge hardcore punk bands like Earth Crisis, who promote veganism and radical environmental activism as integral parts of their message. Anti-fashion. The movement is tough to describe in words. Anti-fashion represents all that fashion is not. It is a movement that challenges the status quo. There were two approaches to anti-fashion in the late 20th century. Designer Rei Kawakubo's runways included dark tones, shapeless dresses, and deconstructed items. Vivienne Westwood, on the other hand, demonstrated punk, chains, leather pants, and revolution. As we close this chapter on punk's relentless rebellion and avant-garde influence, remember that true style is born from defiance and authenticity. Dare to break the mold, challenge the norm, and let your fashion speak volumes. There are still so many more ideologies to explore. If you're interested, let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep the rebellious spirit alive and stay unapologetically yourself. Farewell from Craze Coutume, and don't forget to subscribe for more fearless fashion insights. Thank you for watching.